sale?
Huh?
Sale?
How much you want for it?
How much you willing to pay for it?
How much you want for it?
I need at least 1,000 for it. I know it got some dents and it needs paint job and shit, but
how's the motors?
Runs fucking like a damn brand new ass Mercedes.
But it's Mazda.
Exactly. They don't keep up with anything. Shit's not here really.
I've never had a rotary, so I don't really know too much about it.
This motherfucker hauls ass, don't redline.
Shit, what does it like rev up to?
It just keeps going.
It just keeps
shows
going.
red limiter at fucking $7,000, but I know for a fact that it goes past 10.
Yeah, dude, rotary's pretty fucking badass.
Motherfuckers,
Is that a turbo?
Nah, not turbo. It's a fucking, it's a carbureted. You can't throw turbo on it.
What's that?
It's carbureted. You can't put turbo on it. Unless you know some fucking mean working motherfuckers that can fucking put you damn intake manifold on there. You could go to the 13B and then put it on there because it's got a 12A in there. You put a 13B in it, that's fuel injected, then you can run it.
Yeah. The 13, does that come out of the
13B's in second gen.
Yeah.
The 86 to 90 something.
Is that was like a turbo, like inline 4, inline 6?
They don't come turbo, but.
You sure they don't come turbo? I know a couple guys have like
third gens come with turbo. The second gen, the last year they made second gen, that one came with a turbo. But from 86 to 90, I think it is, didn't.
Like the
91
FD, like the very last ones that they made.
Yeah.
Those were turbo, right?
Yeah. And then
weren't those like inline 6s or something like that?
Were you talking about third gen or second gen?
The very last gen they made.
The third gen, they're they're V6s.
Oh, okay. True. They got a video camera on it? Where are you? Dude, this is pretty badass old school R7. I like the
What are your plans for it? Like, what's like your goal?
Honestly, right now, I don't know.
He's like kind of selling it, actually.
It's kind of for sale right now, but.
How much you gonna get out of it?
What do you want?
What?
I'll give you 200 since you paid 100 for it.
Nah. I put more money into it than that.
You got King Kong in the trunk?
How much would you want? How much would you want to sell it for?
I'm trying to get at least 1,000 for it, because I had to put, because when I bought it, it didn't have no exhaust. The drive shaft was fucked. And I had to put new oil seals in the motor and shit, because they were fucked.
Did you put them in?
No, hell no.
Was that like before or after the 50,000 RPM?
Before, or nah, I put them in before.
How'd you get up enough nerve to do that? Like, I'd be scared shitless to do that.
Motherfucker tried me, so I just ran it.
So what does it sound like? It does sound like Satan sodomizing some pig.
It sounds like a fucking 7-year-old girl screaming. at full lung capacity, yes.
So like some weird bestiality shit, really, right?
Yeah.
Lord.
I lost my dude.
Like when I did it, like I didn't know I was that high up, and I just looked down. Like,
It's kind of like the oh shit moment. We're like, fuck, we're that high.
Like I'm fucking going.
Fuck.
I was in second. I was going. I looked down. I'm in like 75 in second. And as soon as fucking RPM gets there, I go like that, and the fucking car goes.
Oh shit. Crazy.
That means that your rotors are going like faster than sound. Pretty much.
Thing will fly, dude. Hell yeah.
Put some wings on it. Let's put some wings on it.
Yeah. It's not. It's NA too, right? It's not turbo.
Non-turbo.
Dude, I know they're large.
Carbureted or injected? That's the way to go. Do you have any problems in the summertime?
How much do you think? You can get for turbo? Now you have turbos on?
Okay. Carbureted.
It's cool. You gotta swap 13B in it?
That'd be badass.
13B? Turbo?
If I do anything, I'm a supercharger.
How about 20B? That'd be badass.
They make super.
Wait, you can supercharge this?
$700 for the kit.
Whoa. Well, how come we get turbo it?
Carbureted. You ain't got no exhaust manifold.
Yeah, it doesn't have an exhaust manifold at all?
Not where you can put a turbo on it. You can custom it if you know a fucking crazy ass mechanic to do the shit, but you're gonna pay for it.
Just pull it all on. I mean, I'll tackle it.
Yeah, I'm sure that'll hold.
Bring up your direct exhaust induction. David, hold that for me.
What?
Hold that for me.
You guys ready to head out? Like, is this all who's coming? Well, there's gonna be a lot of people out there. Like how many? A lot of. Sometimes 35 if it's really low.
Shit, it takes 40 to fill up my car. I just went through $40 too in the last 2 days.
It's $50.
Damn. $50? I didn't think these things had that big of a gas tank.
When it's got like a little bit over it, it's $40. It's like $10 a cylinder.
It's like what?
$10 a cylinder.
Shit. Damn, that's bad FPG right there. Like, I mean, how much again?
It's like $10 a cylinder.
Like 10 a cylinder.
It's $50 to fill it all the way up.
That's
It's
fucking
all the
crazy.
way on
5 cylinders. That's fucking
Crazy. So these things have 5 cylinders?
No, it's got 4, but like...
This has 4 cylinders?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I always wondered like how many cylinders they have.
Yeah, I know. That's
1.1 4-cylinder car.
That's fucking damn 1.1. I'm sure I can understand why it revs like crazy. It's a small motor.
Motor's really not that small.
Well, 1.1 liter, a small displacement, and it revs like crazy. Yeah.
How aggressive are the cams?
Yeah,
How aggressive are the cams?
Not sure.
probably did. I
Alright,
would
man.
get like 2 more cams or something like that. Is he wrapping his arms around him? I just feel so close to you.